Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to find jobs-focused messages on LinkedIn using the latest update, all from your PC. If you want to keep your job search organized and never miss out on important opportunities, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the LinkedIn website. Make sure you're logged into your account. LinkedIn is constantly updating its platform, and the latest features are designed to help you connect with the right opportunities faster than ever before. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look at the top menu bar. Here, you'll find the messaging icon. It looks like a little chat bubble. Click on it. This will open your LinkedIn inbox, where all your conversations are stored. Now, LinkedIn has introduced the focused inbox to help you manage your messages more efficiently. Instead of sifting through a cluttered inbox, your messages are now split into two tabs: Focused and Other. The Focused tab is where LinkedIn puts your most important conversations, messages from people you interact with regularly, recruiters, and relevant job opportunities. To access this, simply click on the Focused tab at the top of your message section. If you don't see the Focused and Other tabs yet, don't worry. LinkedIn is rolling out this feature gradually, so keep an eye out for it. Next, to zero in on job-related conversations, look for the Jobs filter or section within your messages. Click on Jobs, and LinkedIn will display messages specifically related to job opportunities, applications, and recruiter outreach. This makes it much easier to keep track of your job search communications and respond quickly to any opportunities. With these updates, you can now stay organized, prioritize important messages, and never miss a chance to connect with recruiters or apply for your dream job. Remember, LinkedIn's new features are all about helping you find the right fit faster, so make sure to check your focused inbox regularly and respond promptly to job-related messages. That's it. You're now ready to use LinkedIn's updated messaging system to supercharge your job search. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering LinkedIn and landing your next opportunity. Thanks for watching.